Yo, look up. Good boy. Free McDonald's food glitch. Hey, black guys. Here's a basketball. Go chase your dreams and be great.
Swerve in that corner, whoa, bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch.
Well. Look what we have here. May I get 6 pepperoni pizzas?
Oh, what size?
Large, yeah. The pizzas are for the homeless, by the way.
Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. You said this was for the homeless?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, I talked to my boss. You can have them for free.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Yeah! Man, fuck the